Motion denied. A judge says the Karen Reed retrial will start with jury selection April 1st as planned. What could be the final pretrial hearing in the case is taking place right now. NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo is live in the studio with a breakdown of what is being considered. Hey, Gabrielle.
Barbara, there are several issues being argued and considered today, dictating how this retrial will all play out. The day's begun with a blow to Karen Reed's defense team, who wanted to push the start date back from April 1st to April 25th. Her team is continuing to make a double jeopardy argument in federal court, trying to get some of the charges against her dismissed. Reed is accused of hitting her Boston cop boyfriend John O'Keefe with her SUV and leaving him to die. Now, after the first trial ended with a hung jury, her team has been attempting to get some of those charges dropped under double jeopardy. With federal appeals still ongoing, they're arguing a new trial could have jeopardy issues if a jury is sworn in and an appeal decision is made.
I'm not going to grant the motion. All right. We have jurors coming in that were summoned months ago. I called the jury commissioner yesterday and asked how long it would take to get the right numbers that we were able to get starting April 1st. At a minimum, 10 weeks. I'm not going to do that. What I will do is we'll start impaneling on April 1st. It will likely take a while. If we get a jury before April 25th, I'll rehear you on your motion.
Now, both sides are arguing how the defense team will be allowed to introduce accident reconstruction witnesses originally hired by the feds. Last time, while the federal investigation was ongoing, her team wasn't allowed to say who hired them. They want that to change in the retrial, and we'll continue to have updates on air and online as this hearing continues throughout the day. In studio, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.